Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the realm of home design, the often overlooked space of the tiny laundry room is increasingly becoming a canvas for innovative and functional ideas. Limited square footage doesn't have to translate to a lack of style or efficiency. Instead, it invites a creative approach that maximizes every inch, transforming the compact laundry area into a practical and aesthetically pleasing part of the home. The key to optimizing a tiny laundry room lies in strategic organization. Consider utilizing vertical space by installing shelves or cabinets that reach up to the ceiling, providing additional storage for laundry essentials, cleaning supplies, and even household items. Open shelving can also serve a dual purpose, acting as a display for decorative containers or plants, adding a touch of personality to the functional space. Compact appliances designed specifically for smaller spaces are a game changer in tiny laundry rooms. Stackable washer and dryer units or washer-dryer combos help make the most of limited floor space while still offering the necessary functionality. Additionally, consider front-loading machines, which not only save space but also provide a sleek and modern aesthetic to the room. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the functionality and ambience of a tiny laundry room. Adequate task lighting, such as under cabinet or overhead fixtures, ensures that the workspace is well lit, making it easier to tackle laundry-related tasks. Consider adding a stylish pendant light or a wall sconce to elevate the overall aesthetic of the room. Storage solutions need not be confined to traditional cabinets or shelves. Embrace the versatility of storage baskets, bins, and wall-mounted organizers to keep the tiny laundry room tidy. Finally, don't underestimate the power of multifunctional furniture in a tiny laundry room. A small bench or a slim rolling cart can serve as a convenient folding station, additional storage, or even a place to sit while waiting for a load to finish. Choosing furniture pieces that offer versatility is key to making the most of the limited space. In conclusion, a tiny laundry room can be transformed into a functional and stylish space with thoughtful design considerations. By embracing vertical storage, incorporating compact appliances, optimizing lighting, and introducing creative organizational solutions, the tiny laundry room can evolve from a utilitarian space to one that seamlessly integrates into the overall design and functionality of the home.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!